Good afternoon, all my RC users. We're here at the 2010 Toledo show with Youngblood Enterprises, showing all of our products off to everybody. If you'd like to start right off over here, I'll show you what we got. Here we have our main rotor blade line. This moves from 710s down to 690s to the 600s. We have all of our varieties available. We have our FAI, which is our heavier blades for precision aerobatics. Our SB line, which is a fast, high cyclic rate 3D type blade that flies very well for most flybarred helicopters. And then we have our general Radix blade, which is real great for any general use models whatsoever. It flies great on flybarred, flybarless, works in all general applications from hardcore 3D to great sport. Wonderful beginner's blade if you need it, all the way up to a pro pilot. And we come over here, we have our 430 millimeter line for the 500 series helicopters, our 350 line for our stretched stretched type 450s, or like the Rave here, where you can use a little bit longer blade. We have the 325s, which are generally used on all 450 size helicopters. All these are great general use blades, great for flybar, great for flybarless, great for beginners, all the way up to pro hardcore pilots. Here we have our tail blade line. These go from 90s down to the 50s and the 500 series, all the way down to 450 series blades. They start at 105, go to 95, 92, 72, and 59. Same thing with our paddles. We cover all of the lines. We have a 5105, a 4105, or a 3105. What that is a 5 millimeter flybar, 105 millimeter long paddle, 4 millimeter flybar, 105 millimeter long paddle, 3 millimeter flybar, 105 millimeter paddle. These are very fast paddles, great high cyclic rates for 3D. Here we have a 393. This works great on 500s. It's 3 millimeter flybar, 93 millimeter long paddle. It works great on 500s and actually works really, really well on 50s as well. Here we have the 484, which is a 3D or FAI style paddle. And we have the 268, which is perfect for the 450 size models. All these are very fantastic paddles. They track well, they fly good, real fast cyclics. They work fantastic. Over here we have our helicopter line. Here we have a 4S Rave running 350 millimeter blades, running 4S battery pack, Scorpion-10, Next D branded. And this is our new model right here, the Rave ENV, which is a 90 size model. It can be electric, nitro, flybarred, or flybarless. It pretty much covers everything. It can be converted from one configuration to the next in about 20 minutes. So it's simplification of the model. Maintenance is very easy. Extremely rigid frame. Flies fantastic. All the conversions are very easy. When we're looking over here now, we've got another Rave 450. This is a 3S setup, and this one's actually running a Scorpion, Next D brand Scorpion 8, and 3S battery packs. And then right here we have, this is our electric configuration for the Rave 90 ENV. This shows how simple the system is and how easy it is to set up. This can literally go from an electric to a nitro or back again in about 19 minutes is what we've actually timed it. And we have actually timed it. Yes, we did sit down and time it. You come over here, and we have our electronics line. First, I'll start off with what's going to be the holy grail of our new products, which is the Total G. Should come out about the same time as the ENV. The Total G is a complete total flight control system with a tail gyro. It has a governor in it. It also acts as a servo bus. If you're running Spectrum, all you have to do is hook 3 satellites to it, and it takes place of your receiver. It basically simplifies your radio gear down to the Total G, and if you run your stuff regulated, you have a regulator and a battery, and that's it. It really simplifies your radio gear. That's why we call it Radio Gear Simplified. Over here, we have the G-View 2, which is a button type G-View. These buttons are used to program the Total G unit, and this will be coming out, should be about the same time as the Total G. You do not have to have this to set up the Total G. The Total G will come with a card, so you can use a mini USB cable to set it up at home if you would like, but this just makes it very easy for making adjustments in the field. The G-View 2 is reverse compatible with the Mini G. The buttons actually function on the Mini G, or with the Mini G, I should say. It is also backwards compatible with all of our other products. However, it does work just like the old G-View does. This is our ATG V3, which is our actual throttle governor. This basically is what we consider one of the better governors on the market. It works fantastic. It's active. It works by paying attention to throttle curves and mixes, and if you want something extra out of it, it's going to deliver. That's what it's there to do, is deliver the power that you need. Right here we have the Mini G, which is our small heading hold gyro. It's actually heading hold or rate mode. Very high performance gyro, low cost, very small, lightweight, works fantastic in all models from 450s all the way up to 90 size machines. Very high performance gyro, very easy to set up, very user friendly. And here's our standard G-View, which is the usual G-View most people see. This G-View is compatible with all of our electronics products. It will not be compatible with the Total G. However, it will continue obviously to work with all the rest of our products. None of that's ever going to change. Very simple. Just plug it in and program it. Over here we have our exhaust line. We have our MP550 SB pipe, which is stick banger pipe. It's for real good high powered. We have tested this on everything from the Hyper 50 all the way up to the 55HZ. It works very, very, very well. This is our standard Muscle Pipe 50. Really, really good pipe. Great sport mild 3D pipe for hardcore 3D. The SB is a better pipe, generally speaking, but both of them run very, very, very well. This is our MP690. This is for 90 size machines or 700 series machines. It's a really good pipe, tunes real well, makes lots and lots and lots of power. They're all really high quality pipes. They're made very, very well, and of course we obviously stand behind the product quality. When it comes down to everything else, this is our booth, and we've had a really good time at Toledo. It's been a great turnout. Great customer feedback, and we really enjoyed it. So we look forward to seeing you here next year. Have a good day.